Welcome back to the Transport Bandit channel. I'm Cheryl.
I'm Jeff.
And after that remote drive through Labrador,
Very remote.
and eastern Quebec yesterday, after all that isolation.
And desolate. I mean, it was nothing.
But what an adventure was that?
It was crazy.
Yeah, if you haven't watched that video, check this out from Labrador and the eastern Quebec road.
Man, there's nothing up there.
Crazy. But today we're in civilization.
We are.
And we're going to take you to Quebec City. And
we're going to stop by the waterfalls down here first and show you that. Let Cheryl work up an appetite and then go find her a crepe.
Yeah, I need a crepe. Isn't that what they eat here in Quebec City? Yeah, what do people eat in Quebec? What's a Quebecian dish?
Crepe.
A crepe? All right. I'm going to find a crepe. But I'm going to show you Montmorency Falls. I'm not sure how you say that. Montmorency Falls.
We're going to show you some waterfalls.
We're going to show you some waterfalls. Right before you get into Quebec City, we are traveling along the Gulf of St. Lawrence. And it's a beautiful morning, just absolutely gorgeous. We're blessed to have sunshine today after all that
finally.
Gloomy, rainy fog in Labrador. That was terrible.
And then after the falls, we're going to take you down and show you the old part of Quebec City.
Yeah, the historical part, the national part. There's like a big chateau or castle thing there. Chateau La Frontenac, something or other.
I don't know that word.
I don't either. It's like French for castle.
It's old-timey stuff.
Old-timey stuff. Okay, so let's travel along the Gulf of St. Lawrence to the falls first, and then we're going to historical Quebec City.
Old-timey stuff.
Let's go. This is at the town of Tadoussac. We have this mandatory ferry. I forgot what route we were on, but we're on the only route that goes along the coast of the northern side of the Gulf of St. Lawrence. And we're going to go down to Quebec City, cross there, and then a little more of Quebec is the proper way to say it. I realize I've been saying it wrong, but I'm a hillbilly, so I'm just going to own up to it.
I've been saying it wrong, and I will continue to say it how I want to. Quebec. Big Q and then back.
Quebec is how you're actually
saying. Big Q and then back. Quebec.
And now we're in Tadoussac. We butchered the language. I'm sorry. This ferry runs about every 20 minutes, according to the schedule. So it's not bad. We just have to go like over there. Look at that, they're parking cars up there, like on the wall. I'm sorry about all the bug splatter. I'm going to clean that off for you guys here in just a few minutes. Wow, that's beautiful. Say good morning to Mr. Bones. He's taking the views in. He's our traveling companion. And he is going to historical Quebec, but he doesn't really care.
He don't care about history.
We are coming into the Quebec City area, and we are, look at that big bridge. Going to take you to the falls, right here, right outside of Quebec City. There's the falls. Okay, we have made it to I can't say it.
The waterfalls.
The waterfalls, Montmorency Waterfalls.
Yeah, so we'll go see them.
Something like that. All right, let's go see the falls. And here you can take a cable car down to view the falls from the cable car. And this is the manor house here at the falls. It has, I think, a restaurant and gift shop and manor. Montmorency. Okay, is that correct? Montmorency. We're guessing that's the symbol for toilets. Okay, we are going to try some lunch here inside the... Okay, what have you got there, Jeff?
I've got my creme brulee.
Creme brulee. And the poulet with honey glaze and lavender.
Yeah, so we've got some kind of weird chicken.
It looks very good. All right, how was your creme brulee?
It was delicious.
It was delicious. I'm not sure what I think the yellow stuff was squash, but this was some kind of wine sauce, so I'm not that fancy. But the chicken with honey and lavender sauce made from their own beehives. It was delicious.
My creme brulee was delicious.
Your creme brulee was delicious.
Yeah, yours not so much.
Not so much. We're not fancy food eaters, but we could be. We're trying. All right, let's get you a better look at the falls. From the manor, where we just ate, you'll take this nice little boardwalk over to the falls. I asked Jeff, are we on a hike?
Of course I panicked. Are we?
No, we're on a boardwalk. This is not a hike.
Yeah, this can't be a hike. This is like a walkway.
It's a walkway over to the
Just a
falls.
small walk.
Yeah, it's not a hike. Not a hike in no means. All right, these are 487 steps that you can take all the way to the bottom. We're not going to be doing that. You can also zip line across the falls. So that was the falls, and just outside Old Quebec in Quebec City, and that's actually 30 meters higher than Niagara Falls. Wow.
Had a great lunch there. It only cost $375.
It did not. It was cost
You're
like
right, it was $373.
it was like 37 Canadian dollars, which is like what, $28 or something crazy. Anyway, we are going into Old Quebec, and you guys are coming with us. If we can find a place to park this big old thing, we'll show you some of Quebec City. If not, we won't have a video at all. So stay tuned to see if we can find a place to park. Okay, so we found a place to park, Filthy Dirty Gus, and I had to go up here to the little terminal and read all in French on how to pay for parking. So I think I got it right, and I think we're paid $10 to park until 7 o'clock tomorrow. Jeff's looking around in bewilderment. He has no idea where we are going or what we are doing, but I'm taking him and you to Old Quebec. Look at this mural. That's incredible. This is so neat.
I bet that's delicious.
I bet that's really delicious. Is the Chateau, the Fontaine Hotel. Well, that's it for Old Quebec.
That's it.
It's actually the next day.
Finished.
We made it home to the USA.
We're in ME,
Maine. Welcome home. And so we made it back to the USA. But, you know, Old Quebec was fantastic. I want to go back there and spend some more time. It reminded me of old Europe.
I'd like to go back there and spend some more time and have some delicious food.
Yeah, we didn't eat anything. We just walked around. You know, you can have some of the best time in the world just absorbing the ambiance of a place. Don't have to spend a dime.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun, wasn't it?
I'd like to go back there in the summertime.
Well, it's end of summertime now.
No, it was 42 degrees there yesterday.
Yeah, it was a little chilly. We had a great time. I hope you enjoyed the views of Old Quebec and those falls that I can't pronounce. Thank you for joining us. I hope you like this video. Press that like button if you want to. Of course you want to, right? And what else do they want to do if they haven't yet subscribed?
You know, really, Cheryl, whether they want to or not, subscribe.
All right, you guys, I love all of you, so thank you very much for watching. We're going to head back to Goshen and see if we can get another load.
Now, as usual, Cheryl just said it again. She said she loves all of you. Now, you guys know me. I love a few of you, some of you. Most of you I don't know, so how can I love you?
I love them for watching our videos.
All right.
Don't you love them that they like our videos?
I don't know them.
It doesn't matter if you know them. They're watching our videos.
Listen,
So that's an automatic love.
Some of them I'm sure I would love. Others that I know I love. Some I like, and some that I know I don't care anything about.
Well, don't become one of those people Jeff doesn't care anything about and like our video.
Yes, and subscribe.
Yeah, there we go. All right, we're headed all the way back to Goshen, and I don't know what the next video will be. We are going to try and score a load, or maybe visit Dan's service center.
Yeah, we don't know.
We're not sure, but you need to stay tuned to find out. Thanks for watching. Transport Bandits out.
Out.